Let's explore how Website Audit helps you identify issues, improve performance, and keep your website up to date using the Instant Website Builder app. Open the Instant Website Builder app, tap the menu icon in the top left corner, and select Website Audit. Here, you'll find 3 sections: Issues Detected, Good to Have, and Fix Issues with Our Services. Let's begin with Issues Detected. Inside this section, you'll see 3 categories: Critical, Other Issues, and Past Checks. The Critical tab highlights important issues identified during the latest website audit that should be fixed to improve your website. For example, this website doesn't have any images added yet. Next, tap Fix Issue and simply follow the on-screen steps. In this example, we'll upload the required website images and tap Submit. Once the upload is complete, the issue is resolved and the changes are reflected on your website. Now let's look at Other Issues. This section displays recommendations such as adding more products, publishing blog posts, or creating additional website pages to further improve your website. The Past Checks section shows the items that have already been completed successfully. Next, open Good to Have. Here, you can track your website progress and view a checklist of recommended tasks to help improve your website. As you complete each item, your website becomes more complete and better optimized. Now, open Fix Issues with Our Services to explore professional services that can help enhance your website. You'll find services including Google Ads, Meta Ads, and many more. You'll also find powerful AI tools like AI Content Writer, AI Chatbot, AI Image Generator, AI SEO Analyzer, AI Email Marketing, and AI Social Media Manager to help improve your website's performance and online presence. Create, manage, and grow your website with the Instant Website Builder app by websites.co.in. Download the app today and start building your website for free.